Here in the capital city, leaders want citizens to remain vigilant. Gerald Harris is downtown and explains why community members are being urged to prepare for anything. Gerald.
Yes, city leaders say hope for the best and prepare for the worst. Now, Central Mississippi is no stranger to weather coming from hurricanes. Hurricane Laura brings the threat of flash flooding and spin-up tornadoes. The storm's path will dictate what our area could face. Jackson native Bruce Carter knows anything can happen.
Don't wait. If they tell you, the weatherman tell you, follow what he say. That's the best advice I can give you. And don't wait till the last minute.
We're hoping that we'll stay somewhere below 1 inch over the next couple of days based on some of the forecast models.
To prepare, city crews will close streets where flooding is prevalent. Everyone is urged to listen to the experts. If you see a drain blocked, flooding, or a downed tree, call 311 to report the problem. Now, the number one threat for the Jackson area will be those pop-up tornadoes. You can download both of our news and weather apps to stay up to the minute on the latest in tracking Hurricane Laura. Reporting in downtown Jackson, Gerald Harris, 12 News.